Benny's not happy about giving a gift, huh?
It's Eric's car.
Look, there's Eric. He's got the matching car now. How cool is that?
You say thank you to Benny?
Thank you, Benny.
Good job. You
That's-
gotta go get Zerg and try to put him in there. Put him in there. Whoa! How cool is that? He fits right in there.
Take it out and we will create it in disco song. You want to see? You want to see?
You want me to get it out for you?
Yeah. I totally can't get it.
You totally can't get it?
Can you open it, please? You want to see how it goes? The button is loose. Let's see.
What you doing, Benny?
You need your nails cut. Your nails are dirty.
I'll help you.
Benny.